Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Indriani with student ID F1B1230003. Today I will be presenting material summarized from the journal Microwave Heating for Pyrolusite Reduction. Introduction. Manganese is a key resource in steelmaking and energy materials. China has abundant low-grade pyrolusite MnO2 with low assembly. Conventional carbon-thermal reduction is energy intensive. Microwave heating offers energy efficient selective reduction. Study explores pilot-scale microwave reduction process for MN recovery. Methodology: low-grade pyrolusite mixed with 10 to 15% pulverized coal, had it heated in a custom microwave furnace, 10 kW total power. Temperature range 450 to 650 degrees. Holding time 2080 min. Samples analyzed for Mn reduction ratio and Fa concat. Tools XRD SAM TZA DSC particle size analyzer. Result chemical and structural. MnO2 was reduced to MnO effective at 600 degrees for 60 min. Mn reduction ratio reached 93% with 15% cold. Fa2 concat remained low, 17% suitable for electrolytes. XRD convert the separates of MnO2 peaks upwards of MnO. SAM showed porous cracked microstructure post-treatment. Current situation and problem statement. Particle size decreased after microwave reduction. D50 reduced from 2344 to 15.1. TZA DSC identified three-step reduction process. 140 degrees C moisture and volatile loss. 145 400 degrees C MnO2 Mn2O3 Mn3O4 400 Mn3O4 MnO.